Get it. Yeah. Where it's at? Right here. I'm Marcus, and yes, I am stupid. Thought I was a smart kid, guess again stupid. I'm a special ed student. Give me a couple bars and let the man prove it, cause there's evidence to it. I never knew it, but the rest of my class knew it. They must have thought I never remembered the past to it. Fuck school, man, I never could pass through it. I'll never be that student ahead of the class who gets an A upon his report card. A nice kid who's so smart. Seemed like when they threw me in special ed, it got more hard. Every year the cycle repeats over again. My friends graduate, and I'm way older than them. Then they come to me, nice mugging me, making fun of me. What do these ugly motherfuckers be thinking when they fuck with me? They lucky I don't suddenly go on because of another than me. Like a fucking psycho, then what's it gonna be? Now, I'm the rap maniac with the hooligan eyes. Who's cooler than I? Whack niggas move it aside. When you heard I was a big deal, you was surprised. West Coast bitch, put your W's in the sky. I spent my days as a refugee till the rap gang came to rescue me and left my wrist paved in accessories. A dangerous necessity. I came here to wreck 'em seeds. You wrong if you thinking Wayne was the recipe. Nah, he ain't worthy of that. The controversy is back. Get out the Kool-Aid, stir me your back. See, I prefer to relax, but I can't, and God knows it. Gotta stay raw with the flow that I'm diagnosed with. Oh shit, niggas keep fucking with my emotions. Maybe that's the reason I suffer from psychosis. Shocking is high voltage. Fuck it, my life's hopeless. So I had to make sure I killed it. Rockin' wicked, no competition on this shit. You gotta get it, there's nothing hotter than it. Whack rappers with hops and this, and I kick it to you.
Yeah, they got a minute.
You'll bop your head like a walking pigeon. Play my position, I'm kinda different when rhymes is kicking. I got lots of this, I vibe to it as I rock a fitted. The amount of people that's feeling me is a high percentage. They know I'm tight, but I'll be conceited if I admit it. I'ma climb the game until I'm up at the top of it. And don't be chicken to call me out if you got a problem with it. Unsilent shit, just go get it stuck in some violent shit. And feelings gon' be hurt, so you better off if you mind your business. Don't get me started with that nigga Marcus, that kid retarded. It's gon' evolve to some ruckus, he'll prove your shit is garbage. He be the illest, hardest, realest on this rap. All you niggas out there wanna get him on that bounce like a trampoline, thousands of amps is me. Kids run up on your school campus and slap a dame. I grew up on baggy jeans, pornographic, nasty dreams. Moral of my damn story, life is in the happy scene. Wish I was stacking cream, wish I had a Lamborghini. Wish I had the cover on the Rolling Stones magazine. I'm sick of the radio playing all these faggot teens. Keep it real, show me something ill that I haven't seen. For 10 years I've been working on ill flows and finally got a fucking record deal and I'm still broke. Man, that's not common. Bombs that I'm dropping the dope, but all that I can afford is some top ramen. I noticed that y'all niggas like to dumb the stats. I should stomp your ass out until your lungs collapse. No more corny cowabunga rap. We done with that, it's a rap. Keep it up and get your tongue detached. Come on, Hulk can probably make 'em. Push weight on the block, fat bitch. She was barely able to walk. She was good for one thing, now it's taking the cock. Till she told me she was pregnant, shit, I'm thankful to God that she wasn't, cause all that shit was making me hot. I'm happy that she ain't the one to have a baby with hops. She's so obese